Hello everyone, I am Pukhraj and welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. First of all, I would like to wish all of you very happy Navratri, and I know most of you would be fasting during these days. So for you I have brought a very simple, easy, quick and delicious recipe that can be enjoyed during Navratras. The name of the recipe is Sabudana Khichdi. But before moving on to the recipe, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the notifications. So let's get started with the recipe. For making Sabudana Khichdi, first of all, we'll take 2 to 3 teaspoons of Desi ghee in a karahi. Then we'll add 1 to 2 medium potatoes and we'll let them cook for some time. You can even use boiled potatoes for this. Potatoes roasted in Desi ghee are very tasty. So we'll just cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. So now you can see that the potatoes have browned and cooked perfectly. So we'll just take them out in a plate and use them later on. Now in the same karahi, we'll be adding cumin seeds or jeera. I've added 1 teaspoon of jeera to it and we'll just let it splutter. Next goes in 1 to 2 chopped green chillies. Just give it a quick mix. Then we'll be adding 8 to 10 curry patta leaves or curry leaves. Next goes in half cup of roasted peanuts that I've crushed coarsely. Now we'll add the potatoes that we cooked earlier. Finally, we'll add some Sendha Namak or the salt that we use during Navratras, that is according to taste, and half a teaspoon of sugar to it. And now we'll be adding 1 cup of sabudana that I had soaked earlier. I've soaked it for at least 4 to 6 hours and you can see after soaking it becomes very soft. So I've soaked it in 1.5 to 2 cups of water. Don't over soak it in a lot of water. So I'll be adding this. Give it a nice mix. So after mixing it properly, we'll just cover it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. So let's check on our Sabudana Khichdi. You can see that the Sabudana is looking very pretty. It's not mushy at all and it's not sticky. And it has cooked perfectly. So now let's put off the gas and it's time to plate it. So our Navratri special Sabudana Khichdi is ready to eat. It is a very quick and simple yet very tasty recipe. Please do try this at home and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and happy Navratri.